Okay. Now let us consider another question here, that is determine the load line, operating point and current through the diode for the following circuit. Okay. So here the given voltage, DC voltage as 5 volts, and the ID is nothing but a ID we have to find out that value, and the resistance is given as 125 ohms, and the voltage across the diode. So for a silicon we know that it is a 0.7. So we need to find out the load line and then operating point and then current through the this diode. Then nothing but a current that is passing through this diode. So here these are a series connection. So the only one current flows through here because it is a series one. Okay. So solution. Now first we need to apply the KVL to this circuit. Okay. By applying KVL. Okay. So here 5 volts because minus to plus, so the current is entering. So here we consider as a plus and minus. So 125 into ID. Okay. And here also this is plus 2 minus, so here it is a VD. So KVL is nothing but a Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay. So 5 minus 125 into ID minus VD equals to 0, which is equals to 5 is equals to 125 ID plus VD. Okay. So here is the first equation. Now we need to find out the coordinates. From that only we get a load line. Okay. So now put VD equals to 0. Then 5 equals to 0 in 1. Okay. 5 equals to 125 ID plus 0. Okay. So 5 is equals to 125 ID. Then ID becomes 5 by 120. Okay. Okay. 5 by 25. Okay. 5 and 125. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay. And 25 is there. 25 ones are 25.4. So here we get as a 0.4 amps. So if you convert that into a milliamps, we get as a 40 milliamps. Okay. So now put ID equals to 0 in 1. Then 5 equals to 125 into 0 plus VD. So 0 into something is nothing but a 0 only. So we get a VD equals to 5 volts. So the x coordinates are x axis, the coordinates are nothing but 5 comma 0, and y axis coordinates are nothing but 0 comma 40 milliamps, right? So 0 comma 40. So here the question itself given a VI characteristics of diode, and the VI characteristics are like this one. So here this is in VD voltage and it is in a ID, so current. So we need to consider a graph, then only we get a exact value of a operating point. Now we don't have an graph present, so we are considering this only. Okay. So this the coordinates are 5 comma 0, and the here coordinates are 0 comma 40. Okay. So by connecting these two, okay, so here it is a straight line, right? Because this is in the form of a straight line. Okay. If you consider this ID to this side, so we get a the straight line equation. So here we get a straight line, and this here it is a negative slope. That's why the straight line is in the negative slope. Okay. And here it is a load line. Okay. So here it is a load line, and we need to find out an operating point. So this operating point is nearly equals to, okay, so 20 comma, sorry, first current voltage comes. So 2.5 volts comma 20 milliamps. Okay, so the operating point here is q point is nothing but vdq comma idq, which is equals to, so here we get a 2.5 comma 20 milliamps. Okay, so here it is 2.5 volts comma 20 milliamps. So here it is a q point. Okay, and so slope, you know that, right?